How to add trusted connections on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device, and here you will see the option for connections. Tap on the connections option you see there and then tap on the follow request or add option on the top right of your screen, and then tap on the add with QR code option you see there, and further go ahead and scan or ask the person to scan the QR code by simply showing the scan, and with this the trusted connections will be added. So, this was about how you can add trusted connections on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.